All right, morning everybody. How you guys all doing out there today? Lovely, lovely day. Let's just start this off by saying, welcome. Another great day of trading here. I'm gonna have to pull up my trades. We are on and are touching the 200 MA. Yes, welcome for another secret session, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. The only thing I will ever ask for you guys right now is I would appreciate go out there, hit that share button, go ahead, hit the Twitter, hit the Facebook, copy this. Send this out to 2 or 3 of your lovely friends all over the world. Help save them one trader at a time. As you guys know, a lot of people were calling for a massive retrace here, but not the Vamp. The Vamp has been accurate. You guys know this. As you guys have been following me, we have been as accurate as anyone in all of crypto. So, you guys are following success. All my hard work is paying off. Hopefully, it's paying off for you in your trades. But I need you to get out there. I need you to smash that subscribe button. Get out there and help me find a whole bunch of other traders all losing money in this bear market while we have been making money, right? We've been doing a great job making money. So everyone, please, let's get out here and help out the Vamp. Throw those shares out. We're gonna dive right into this sucker. What we're seeing right here. The only thing I got to watch for on a bounce. Let's go. Actually, let's take a look at our notes yesterday. We did a quick update last night. 12 UTC. We had a 4-hour red TD. The 4-hour candle close was kind of bullish. So we had a 4-hour candle close right here. We had a bullish candle close. We said maybe just up just a little bit more. I said 33.90 was my top side. I was looking for 32.75 to 3300. There's that trend line. I wasn't looking at going any higher than this with a retrace down to the 200. I'm still looking at the 3,000 level here, people. I'm still looking at the 3,000 level here, even though we are oversold at this juncture. We are clearly on pretty much every time everything is oversold on the indicator side. But if you look right here, one of the things we're looking at is we're on a bleeding TD9 on the 4-hour. We talked about this yesterday in the update video. You go back, watch the update video. We show you the bleeding 9. This is playing out now. This will bounce at some point, right? This is going to bounce. All right. Now, if you look at our volume, if you go ahead and you take a look at the volume, your 12-hour, your 4-hour volume is showing bullish divergence. So you're looking at bullish divergence on your 4-hour. You're looking at bullish divergence on your 6-hour. You still got 2 hours left in this candle, but this is showing that this is going to actually get a little bit of a bounce soon. You're not in trouble with any of your TD counts on anything but the 3-day, right? So that's the only thing. We've been talking about how the 3-day is a bleeder, and sure enough, it's bleeding. Right, here we go. We've got the 12-hour candle. Look at this. This is increased bearishness. You've got bearish volume, bearish candle. Your high time frames are all pointing to the downside here. What do you get? Your daily candle, increased bearishness. Everything here is pointing bear. You have a red 1 trading below a red 2 trading below a red 1. All bad. 12 hours, same thing. Red 2 started trading below your 1. Red 3 started trading below your 2. This is ugly. This is getting very bearish. We're going to go out to this 3-day candle. There's that 3-day bleeding green. And we've showed you this. Go back in the videos. This is how we found Baby Bull Jesus last time, people, on this bleeding green right here. So we're going to go back. It is getting ugly. I want to take a look at this 3-day 3-day bearish volume. The dive is continuing. We're going to look at our weekly. All right, now our weekly is very interesting because we are getting bullish divergence lining up unless we get some massive fallout right here. There's your 200 MA. Your 200 MA has now been officially tickled. We've officially come down and tickled that sucker. We're going to go all the way out to our monthly. Now, this is where the rubber hits the road. You get down here, you see these 2 wicks on the weekly, 29.74. This is what I've got over in the members area. I just plopped all this stuff up in the members area over here, and I said, hey, this is these are your support levels, right? I got this. The 50 MA 2960, the historical support 2980. This is on your monthly chart right here. You break this back down to the weekly, you can see where your price action support is. There it is. This green dotted line runs right across there, 2970, 2967. Right, a snap of this and you're going to have one little whopper of a candle come down to 29.70. This is where I am expecting a bounce. I'm expecting a bounce down here at 29.70. How high are you expecting a bounce, Vamp? I do expect we can get a bounce all the way. Eventually, when we do get a bounce, we will retrace all the way back to this blue 7MA, right? This is what I think. Oops, that's not what I want to do. So I'm going to post this up in the members area. When we get a bounce, I still have the 7MA as my target on the 3-day. So this is still where I think we'll bounce. We'll bounce all the way back up here to the 7MA on the 3-day. This is what we're going to probably come down. My hope is we hit the 3K. We bounce off the 3K. We come all the way back up here, 3,400 or something, because it'll probably take, I don't know how long it'll take to get back up there. Could be 3,565. And then we'll do one more drop to the downside. Okay, we're going to go in real quick. Let's go down and see. Unfortunately, I had to reset my damn charts last night. Other notes we had on here. What did we have? The bulls need to break the 7MA, which they didn't. Look, the bulls came up and they touched the 7MA. Look at that. Boom. Right? Bulls need to break the 7MA. They couldn't do it. The 7MA just kept rolling over on them. So great calls, great information on the charts. Nice follow through with everything. And I'm going to have to update this chart one more time. I'm not going to be able to do it till later though, okay? So I'm not going to be able to update this chart till later. I apologize. I got to run. Got to do some dad duty. And rolling over. So we got a lot of rolling over. This thing's rolling over like a biatch. And let's see here. Bearish. All right. We still have not broken to the true bear side on this new indicator, right? Still, the daily has not broken bearish under the mean line, right? So we still haven't broken bearish under the mean line. The 12-hour has. Listen, we have support really close here on this 12-hour. This 12-hour, right? Look at the 12-hour. The BB is very close. Right? That Bollinger Band right here is super close. The daily, nowhere near. Got a long way to go on the daily. I want to see how this usually plays out. It does like to find support on that Bollinger Band right there. So I would be looking for support. Maybe break through a little bit. But that BB is tight. That BB is very tight. Right? So you got a very tight BB right there on that 12-hour. On the daily. This is a warning sign. Bounce, right? This usually breaks out, breaks down, then bounces. All right, and let's buzz out here real quick. Our historical, this is our, oh, look at there, getting a little bit closer to Baby Bull Jesus, down to the 71 line. Now on this NVT chart, this is where we have a lot of confluence for a bounce, right? We have had this pinned forever. NVT also says a bounce area is close, right? So you can see all this line runs across. We're just about to touch it. This is a bounce area. If this does let and rip and just rips this out, this would be actually great. A great thing to see here would just be an absolute capitulation candle. Finally broke through support, headed into our buy areas. I think I probably am picking up some buys right now, some one-to-one buys, right? All right, that's pretty much it. Where are we at here? We're at 31.40, right? I do think I am picking up some of my one-to-one buys right now on my charts. Where are we at over here? Yep, 31, so close. Here was our, this is our MEX chart. Let's take a look at our count we have over here. Here's our big channel we had. People were in disbelief of my channel. They're like, Dev, that's not how it works. And there you go, still running down. The rocket scalper, until this candle turns orange, you are not in warning of a bounce, right? You will get a warning on the rocket scalper over here when this baby gets close to a bounce. It is not giving us a warning here on the higher time frame. Sure enough, we turned bearish on the that indicator. Let me adjust some of these indicators. I want to do this. You gotta go away, and I'm gonna have you go away, and then we'll stick there. Okay, so we are flipping bearish on we're still running bearish here. I think this can be the end of wave 5, or this can be the end of wave 5. We're getting close, right? Rocket 12 hour says not yet, right? And they're still playing out. I want to go over and take a look at my count. Let's go find my count over here. I'm going to cry in my soup later like a little girl to all of you about my stupid, okay. All right, nope, all right. And where the hell's that damn chart at? All right, nope. No, where's my count? There it is. There's my count. All right, and I got to get out of here. This is my, I'm going to finish this literally in 1 minute. There's my count. Subwave 1 of 2. This looks like a wave 3. Sure enough, looking like a wave 3. For people who say I can't do Elliott, I sure as hell can fake it every once in a while. Yep, this looks like a sub wave 3. Yep. For those people who say I suck at Elliott wave, which is me, I personally say I suck at Elliott wave. This sure looks like a sub wave 3 of 5. I still think 5K, and this is where 3K, and this is where we get our bounce in here. We're so close to our bounce right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're so close to a bounce right now. Right? We are getting so close to a bounce right now. Eek! I want to put a warning up here somewhere. Where the hell am I going to put a warning up here? All right, let's get rid of this. Right? Warning. I see a wave bounce coming soon. I want to say it's going to be the wave 4, right? I want to say it's going to be a wave. I see a sub 4 wave bounce coming soon. All right, we're going to move these down here. Move these down here. Change the color of these to red. Change the color of these to red. Right? All right. All right. So you guys listen, the biggest danger you got to watch out for is 3,000, right? You got to watch out for 3K. This thing lets go. Danger, danger, danger on 3K. It can go hardcore. Listen, guys, here it is. I've been looking for the bounce, right? This is it. I'm still looking for the 200 MA. We're through the 200 MA. We got the 50 MA. You guys watch out for a bounce. I'm going to put it over here. Watch out for a bounce. Okay, is that better? How's that? I don't know what else to do, right? I don't know what else to do. Well, this worked out, right? 3,200 bounced out. Look at that, 3,200 bounced out, right back down. And that played out and then flushed down the drain. Let's see how well this baby plays out. I can't help you out any more than that. Thank you all so much. I am the Vamp. We are from Until 1 Mil. We are freaking amazing, and we are out.